Hello, Lisa told me that you need a direction on how to install that memory. It's very simple. This is a computer, it's just same like yours. You turn the computer off, you turn it upside down. There's a battery lock. You slide it to the right, you slide it out. Simple. You take this plate out, 2 screws. You take the screws until they don't turn anymore and you take it out. Why I told you they don't turn anymore? Because you don't have to take them and hold them in your hands. They have a lock inside this plate. So turn them until you feel they don't turn anymore. You just take the plate off. This is the memory. It's already installed. But before you touch your memory, you have to discharge your hand from the static by touching a metal, any type of metal. This is the memory. You hold it like this and you slide it in. It goes only one way. Those teeth here, those buses, it should go all the way until you don't see them anymore, like this, just like this. Then you push it down. Simple. You put the plate back, you put the screws, and you slide the battery. Just slide it in. That's it. I tighten the screws. Then you start your computer. When your computer starts, you type in this on search, THIS. You can't type anymore. This will pop up. This PC will pop up. You right click with the mouse. Right click. Here. You go all the way to properties. You left click. You should see 8 GB memory instead of 4. And you're all done. Good luck.